Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nenika and today I'm going to create a very fast makeup look using affordable products. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment to the video. So now let's get started. First I'm going to prep my skin. So today I'm going to start with using a new product. So it's from Good Vibes and it's the Rose Hip Serum. It comes in a packet like this. Smells like a rose, like a real rose, and it also gives a little bit glow to my skin and it gets quickly absorbed. I am liking this serum. So first also I'm going to apply lip balm. Applying Baby Lips lip balm. After that let's go to straight to makeup. So I'm using the primer. So today I'm going to use a new primer and it's from the brand Swiss Beauty. It looks like this. It's in a glass bottle and it's in the shade Natural Tint. So there was two more shades, that was the pink one and the golden one, but I opt for this one. This is a clear one. So for foundation I'm using here Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Never forget the neck and ears. If you want to go with full, you can go with full, but I need like not much coverage. So now I'm going to cover my dark circles and I'm using a concealer from Wet n Wild. So it's really, if you are from like dry skin type, you need much more hydration before applying it. Let it set for some time. Till then I will complete my eyebrows. So I will be using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. It's really under 100 rupees and it's good. It comes with a brush like this. Now I'm going to start filling with the end of my eyebrows and coming to the front section. At the front side I will create small strokes, very lightly filling it, and now then I will brush it to distribute the product. I'm done with my eyebrows. Now it's time to blend the concealer. So never forget to complete your eyebrows. This will give you much good look. Using a wet beauty blender, I will blend the lines so there is no harsh lines left, and also my cheeks. Face is complete. I will move towards my eyes, so it's going to be very easy eye look. So for that, if you have a brown shade, brown eyeshadow, you can use it. Otherwise I'm using this contour brown shade. So using a finger I will apply the bronzer all over my eyelid till the crease, and using the same finger I will apply it on my lash line. That's it, and the star of the show is going to be the liquid eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty. So it's in the shade Diamond Dust, shade number 2. Taking out the excess off, I'm going to apply like on the middle of my eyelid. Can you see how beautiful it is? I'm going to first work and spread it all over my eyelid. Don't go above the crease area. So it dries instantly, so you have to work fast with it. Now also you can do is to apply any color you want to, like you can go with an orange color or you can go with a rusty brown or a red and apply the shimmer over it. It will look so beautiful. So I just applied the usual base that we always use, that is a brown color, and use this. So and just put any color you want to in your lower lash line as well, and then apply this diamond dust, this beautiful shade. It's a versatile shade. Even if you have this particular shade, you are good to go. There is more shades in that, and I will use another shades also in my other tutorial. So now this is looking to the next level, because face is simple and eyes is just doing all the talk. Now I'm going to do the same to my other eyes and blend it fast. So I'm going to apply in the middle of my eyes, cause I wanted to blend it from left and right also, and don't go above the crease and work it fast with it. Always remember this thing. So I'm applying this much, now blending it fast. So it's not waterproof, just remember that. It's really affordable. You will get it in 199, and on sale price you can get it on more less. So this is Lakme eyeliner. It's so affordable. It's just for 130, and on sale you can get it like around 80-90 rupees. So I'm going to draw a wing eyeliner. If you want to leave it like this, apply mascara and set it up, but I'm going to use the eyeliner. So I start always from the corner of my eyes and then come to the front section, because it has like lot of product right now that we'll use to make eyeliner, and rest, like when there is little much, I will draw the inner part. So I will start from the middle of my eyes going to the outer corners. So I'm done with applying the eyeliner. So it's really good eyeliner, because it has like a very precise tip, so you can do a precise eyeliner. Even this time Navratra or on Garba or on Diwali, you can create this easy look, which is like can do this whole makeup in 5 minutes, and you are ready. Stick nicely, it will not go from here to there. So I will use the highlighter from the same Sivana color palette and highlight my inner corners. I will apply the mascara. So before that, I'm going to use this Mega Clear from Wet n Wild. So first I will apply on my lashes. If you want to apply fake eyelash, you can go for it, and rest of it I will set my eyebrows with that. I will apply the mascara. So it's the Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. So I am going with this L18 Nude Fix shade. It's a really good brownie nude shade. You can see it's quite affordable. Everyone knows L18 is so much affordable. Now I'm going to fix my makeup using a setting spray. If you don't have setting spray, so I made a video on setting spray from primer, that is this. So I'm going to lock my makeup using this one, and I will cover my eyes first of all, because the eyeshadow is not waterproof. So coming to the review of this Swiss Beauty primer, so it has really good packaging. So let me give you a swatch of this as well as in comparison to the dewy primer from Wet n Wild. So yeah, this is the swatch of the Swiss Beauty primer, and this is the swatch of the Wet n Wild primer. Swiss Beauty is much hydrating. It gives a little bit coverage to the pores, not much but little bit. If you are having like little pores like mine, so you can go with this. But it has like a shimmer particle, not chunky one, but a small, very small shimmer particles. But the Wet n Wild is not that much hydrating, but it doesn't have like a shimmer particle. It is like a liquid of shimmer, but shimmer can't be see-through if you will apply it, but it will not give as result as a shimmery one as like Swiss Beauty one. But considering price, you will get here like 25 ml of the product, and in like 500, and this Swiss Beauty one will give you like 30 ml of product in in like 349, but I got it on sale. Like you can get it on like 299 or 300 or 250 rupees or 209 rupees. So if you are going with a budgeted primer and you want a moisturizing one and you are okay with the shimmer particles, then you can go with this one. And this one is good if you are also on a budget, but little bit more pricey, and it doesn't have shimmer particles, so it's okay to go with both, whatever suits your budget. Both are good, but just be aware that it has little bit of shimmer particles, not chunky one but normal one. So yeah, that's how I completed this tutorial. So if you like this look and also like the review and also like the recommendation, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will again continue posting more videos, and after like 1 month. Then take care, happy Navratri, and see you in my next video. Bye.